how to fix Messenger photo not loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger photo not loading. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet. So here, you need to have a stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your internet connection as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Messenger. So here, if you're having issues while using Messenger, then what you can do is simply close the Messenger app completely, and after that you can simply open it again and check for photos. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So here, if you're having the photos issues on Messenger, then what you can do is simply tap and hold on the power button, and now here you can just tap on reboot to restart your phone. And now here, once you're done restarting your phone, then you can simply open the Messenger and try to watch or see the photo again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here, simply tap and hold on the Messenger app icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, just tap on Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But do not tap Clear Data on this section. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to allow the storage permissions. So here, you can simply tap and hold on the Messenger app icon again. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on App Info. And now here, once you're inside this section, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on App Permissions. And now here in this section, make sure that you have enabled the Files and Medias option. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply close the app settings, and from there you can simply open the Play Store. And now here, once you're inside, you can simply search for Messenger, and there you can just tap on update if available. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So here, if you're still having issues after doing all these steps, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app. And once you're done uninstalling it, you can simply reinstall from the Play Store and open and try in again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.